Hey friends, if you wish to improve battery life when watching movies and videos on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. There's a lot that you can do about it. So, first of all, you can reduce the brightness of your system manually because when you reduce the brightness of your system, it saves a lot of power. The screen is one of the major power consumers, and after that you can also limit the sound of your system. Other than this, you can search for power options in the Windows search bar and click on edit power plan, and then you can change it to the balanced setting, or you can make sure that you're using a balanced power mode. Other than this, you can right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane, scroll down, click on graphics, and then you can select the app for which you are playing, the movies and TVs app, and select GPU preference at power saving. And this will be very helpful, trust me. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.